What's up guys? Okay. May nagbigay kasi ng melon. Ayan, melon. Okay. O, kakain tayo ng melon. Yung mga mahilig sa melon dyan, shout out. Shout out sa inyo. Mahilig ka ba sa melon? Kung ikaw ay mahilig sa melon, maganda yan. Kasi ang melon, maraming health benefits yan. Ito guys, excuse me. Napansin nyo ba pag kumakain kayo ng melon, okay? Yung ganito, natural. Pagkabalat, kakainin agad. Tapos try mo uminom ng tubig pagkatapos kumain ng ng melon. Mapapansin mo yung panlasa mo pag uminom ka ng tubig, mapait, 'di ba? Eh ang melon matamis naman eh. Bakit pag uminom ka ng tubig nagiging mapait yung panlasa? Sige nga. Itong melon maganda to sa yung laging may inflamed o kaya yung may mga namamaga sa parte ng katawan. Totoo yan. Yung nagbibigay ng ng pait, try nyo guys yung ganyan. May melon ka dyan sa bahay mo, hiwa ka konti, kainin mo, tapos inom kang tubig. Ang pait, dahilan kung bakit mapait yan, dahil merong tinatawag na cucurbitacin. Okay? Cucurbitacin, ayan yan. Yan ang nagkukos ng pait. Pag uminom ka ng tubig pagkatapos mong kumain ng melon. Okay? Ano ba yung cucurbitacin? Yung cucurbitacin, yan, 'di ba alam nyo yung lasa ng antibiotic? Okay? Kahit anong klase ng kasi sa pangalan pa lang, cucurbitacin. Sin ang last. Yan ang kaparehas ng amoxicillin, penicillin, ciprofloxacin. Lahat ng sin. Magkakaparehong lasa yan, di ba? Ang pait ng antibiotic. Ito, natural antibiotic. Anti-inflammatory, anti-helminth. Di ba? Yung mga ganyan, anti-cancer. Kaya kumain kayo ng melon. Kumain lang ng melon, yung dami ng sinabi. Pero totoo yan. Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sinasabi ko, kumain ka ng melon. Tapos minom ka ng tubig after. Sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ewan ko kung hindi mapait ang panlasa mo, hindi ka tao. Kasi antibiotic yung cucurbitacin. Okay? So, kaya maganda ang melon. Hindi naman ganun katamis ang melon eh. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman ganun to katamis ang melon. Minsan pa nga sinasabi nila anti-diabetic, 'di ba? Kung may bulati ang anak mo, pakainin mo melon. Lalabas ang bulati niya. Totoo yan, guys. Huwag ka mag-alala sa sinasabi nila mataas ang sugar niyan. Hindi matamis ang melon. Lalo yung ganito, Medyo pa, 'di ba? Hindi kagaya ng watermelon, mga ganyan. Yung sindiya tawag sa amin. Pakwan. At least may natutunan kayo. Diba? Na ang meron sa melon cucurbitacin. Yan ang meron dyan na nagbibigay ng ng pait. Sa ngayon, di ba ganyan, Di mo pa malalasahan yan. Kaya pag kumain ka ng melon, uminom ka muna ng tubig. Huwag kang uminom ng tubig pagkatapos ng kumain ng melon. Mapait talaga yan. Okay? At least nanonood ka, may natutunan ka, ha? Isang hiwa lang, okay na yun. Bawat kain. Pang dessert mo na rin yan. At least may natutulong sa katawan mo. Huwag ka mag-dessert ng mga yung mga fast food na na gawa. For example, chocolates o kaya yung mga company products na gawa. Yung mga chocolate, cake, mga ganyan. Tataas ng sugar niyan. Mag-melon ka na lang. So ito guys, ito yung health benefits ng melon. Okay, so panoorin mo.
Many of us enjoy cantaloupe for its incredibly sweet and refreshing taste that is pleasant to consume in the warm summer months. It is very easy to add to your diet as it can simply be consumed raw or added to fruit salad and smoothies. Even more than its delicious taste, cantaloupe is incredibly healthy for you. Not only is it full of healthy vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other important nutrients, but it can promote our overall health and reduce the risk of disease. Let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming cantaloupe regularly. First, as mentioned previously, cantaloupe is loaded with an incredible amount of different vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. More specifically, they are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, niacin, potassium, vitamin K, and magnesium, among many others. As well, they contain good amounts of dietary fiber, are rich in health-promoting antioxidants, contain amino acids, and are a rich source of phytonutrients. Eating cantaloupe regularly can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body and contains many different anti-inflammatory properties. This is largely attributed to the unique and potent anti-inflammatory compounds that cantaloupe contains, which are known as cucurbitacins. These powerful anti-inflammatory compounds are well known to help naturally reduce swelling, alleviate pain, and even reduce the risk of some types of disease. The high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A can also help to reduce swelling in the body. Cantaloupe is also a well-known natural immunity booster and makes an excellent addition to help prevent certain diseases and infections, such as common cold and flu. This is largely attributed to the high amounts of carotenoid and antioxidant compounds found in this fruit. These compounds have been shown to not only boost the immune system and prevent disease, but also prevent unwanted infections and boost energy. One specific carotenoid found in cantaloupe that is important in this regard is beta-carotene. This compound may help with boosting and improving immune cell function, promoting our overall health. It can also help to prevent heart disease and promote the health of our cardiovascular system many important ways. By helping to reduce inflammation, while also reducing damaging free radicals and preventing oxidative stress, cantaloupe has been shown to lower the risk of atherosclerosis and lowering high blood pressure. Chronic oxidative stress can be damaging to our cardiovascular system and could eventually lead to heart disease. Cantaloupe's high amounts of cucurbitacins and other important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and magnesium are also especially important for overall heart health. Lastly, consuming cantaloupe regularly can also help to protect your eyes and promote overall eye health, especially as we get older. This is because cantaloupe contains many different vital nutrients that are not only important for eye health, but also protecting them from unwanted eye ailments. These nutrients include beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, which cantaloupe is packed with. The carotenoid compounds in cantaloupe can also help to prevent macular degeneration and other age-related eye disorders. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share.